a couple of different things. The first one is, in Australia, which is a complete pain in the arse, in Australia, you have to do it manually. So as you make sales, you have to send them a manual email to get your reviews, for instance. You got to do that manually. So there's no way to do it outside of that. In the USA, you want to use what am I doing here? Feedback Genius. Oops. Here we go. Feedback Genius will automate that for you. And that's who I use. They're really, really good. But it's currently not available in Australia. They are going to do it for Australia, but it ain't here yet. So if you're in Australia, then what you got to do is, I'll give you the links. And if you're watching this and saying to yourself, I need the links, then just go into our Facebook group and I'll put them there for you too, okay? So they'll be in there. Let's go on here. Here's the links that you send to people. Send to all. And the links from Q&A. There they are. So if you're watching this, that's what you got to go look for. So you just use those links, okay? But you'll need to add the ASIN number or the order number. So one of them is this one here. So that's going to need your ASIN number adding there, and that's going to take them directly to the product to give you a review. And the other one does pretty much the same thing. That's going to take them to their order, just takes them to a different place on the page. It could take to it on the website, sorry, on Amazon's site, but they can also do it there as well to leave you feedback. So that's the two ways of doing it. Or if you're in America, UK, wherever it may be, outside of Australia, use Feedback Genius. It's much, much better for sure. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.